Hey guys, Zippo over here, and I know I sent Zippo the July 6th, and today's the 29th, I think, so it got here 2 days ago. I just didn't check the mail, so I don't know if it got here yesterday or 2 days ago, because I just checked the mail today, and this is what I got back. I just now opened it. And this is what it came with. And it came with 2 spare flints that I already took out. It was in a little plastic bag. And this is the Zippo that I sent in, except it had a case. And that's it right there. They didn't send back the case, and this is the new Zippo. It's like, yeah, oh yeah, it's the 30th today. Sorry, I don't know if I said 29th or 30th, just wanted to get that clear. Yeah, here's the new Zippo, brand new wig, flint and everything. It's, brand new. Oh, you can't see that. But yeah, this is what came here. So, the new Zippo. They gave me the old one without the case, and then some papers, a consumer guide to Zippo lighters. It's a catalog, I guess. You can order out of it, and it says how to care for your Zippo and what the markings on the bottom mean. Then Zippo consumer relations and that. Planning a trip to Bradford? Do you love Zippo lighters? Do you have additional repairs? Just thank you for using us, and this. Thanks for being a loyal Zippo customer. And that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys that, because I sent it the 6th. Took about a good 24 days to get here. But that's from here where I live, Albuquerque, to Bradford, Pennsylvania. About 20 days for it to get there and come back. And that's all that came. Thanks for watching.